river. Hey, you can throw the bug. Just killing it.
Did you get your bathing suit wet? Yeah. You dunked your butt in the water?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Cousin Kino bathing suit's not wet. Because Cousin Kino will get yellow. Cousin Kino will get yellow for this one.
There's water in your pool, you know. You don't have to play in the bucket. There's water in that big pool.
I don't want a big pool.
Oh.
I don't need a big pool.
Why?
Because I'm a splash and then I run away. I'm going to get in and out, in and out, in and out a pool. So I need a different pool.
How are you going to get a different one?
They're going to stop. I had to buy it.
Who's got money to buy it?
I do.
Yeah, how did you get money?
From a gas.
From a gas station?
Yeah.
I think I have to end this video.